Hey everybody, this is Chris and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. This video is for all of my Spanish viewers and subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to improve your British accent and avoid some of the common mistakes that Spanish speakers make when speaking English. So let's look at some of the difficult sounds in British English for Spanish speakers. Number one is the I sound, because you'll find that English has a lot more vowel sounds in it than Spanish. And in Spanish, you don't really have this I sound at all. You have the long E sound. So words like hit are going to be difficult for you. You might say heat, but this should be hit. The short I sound. Tongue is quite far forward and quite high up in your mouth, but it's a short vowel sound. I. Not heat, but hit. Also words like fit. This is not feet, but it's fit. Also bid. Contrast this with bead. Also pitch. Don't get this confused with peach. E with the long E sound. So watch the difference between those two. The second issue that you might have is the difference between a, and r. So a lot of Spanish speakers will pronounce these sounds very similarly. For example, words like love, hat, and start. If you're a Spanish speaker, you might say the vowel sounds in these words in a similar way. Let's try some other examples. Cut, cat, and car, and luck, lack, and lark. If you find yourself saying lack, if it sounds the same, try to pay attention to the differences between these sounds. Luck, lack, and lark. The R sound is much longer. It's very particular to British English. R, carp. Okay, let's try a sentence. I love your hat and car. So here we have R. I love your hat and car. Okay, the next one that's difficult for Spanish speakers is the difference between and oo. Versus oo. For example, in good and food. You might say something like good food, but these are different sounds. The is much shorter. Your tongue further back in your mouth. Good food. Good food. This one is wood and wooed. Can you hear the difference? Also, pull and pool. So the last one is ooh. This is much further forward in the mouth than the sound in Spanish. In Spanish, you also have a ooh sound, but it's further back in your mouth. With the English sound, your tongue needs to be further forward and your lips are further forward. Ooh, very rounded like that. Pool and pull. All right, the next one is the sound. Again, very particular to British English. Words like world, and word. You might say word, but it's word. Also, shirt. This is not shirt. It's not, you don't say the r in this word. It should be shirt, shirt. Not shirt, but shirt. And her. Also, longer diphthong sounds like ear. E plus ear. Okay, these are the vowels. What about consonant sounds? There are a lot of issues with consonants as well. One of them is the R sound in English, the R. Because in Spanish, you often have the R, the rolled R, restaurante. I don't know what word you can say, but this is the R sound. But in English, this is not a rolled R. So words like run, your tongue should be in the middle of your mouth, not quite touching the top of your mouth, but close. run. It could be bunched up or pointing back. Run, run. It shouldn't be run. It should be run. Round, round, room, etc. Not room, it should be room. And because English spelling is very confusing, Spanish spelling is actually much easier than English. Its words are normally said like they're spelt, like they're written. But in English, there are a lot of silent sounds, including the silent R sound. So Spanish speakers might see a word like work, and you might want to say work. But it's not work. It should be work. The R is silent. Also, warm. It wouldn't be warm. It would be warm, or. This long vowel sound, but the R is silent. And words like father. Father. We don't say father, not R at the end. This sounds almost like a Spanish sound. You don't pronounce the R at the end of the word. Her. Again, it's a long at the end of the word. Her. It's not her. It should be her. Another consonant sound that's going to be difficult for a lot of Spanish speakers, whether you're from Spain or South America, will be the sh sound in English. You do have the sh sound in Spanish as well, but sometimes you might say this like a s. For example, push. You might say it much lighter and much further forward in your mouth, like push, push, push. But it should be push, sh. Also words like fashion. You make sure you don't say this like fashion. A Spanish word would be more like fashion. But in English, fashion, shun, fashion. Also words like television, vision. Television is the j sound. It's not television. Television. It's not like that. It should be television. Organization. This is the z, Asian, jin. Not organization. It's not like that. So try to make sure that you get these words with the correct English style pronunciation, even if the word is very similar in Spanish. The next sound, which is difficult for Spanish speakers, is the h sound in English. It's actually quite easy to pronounce. You're just pushing air through your mouth, just like you're breathing out. But in Spanish, you would have a more guttural sound, more like but we don't have that sound in standard British English. So words like house, it should just be just breath sound, not house, but house, house. Can you hear the difference? It's not heavy, but heavy, heavy. Hand, happy, not happy, etc. It should be happy. The next one is the difference between v and b. Because I know that especially in Spain, especially the north of Spain, a lot of b sounds can sound like v and vice versa. So we need to practice the difference between these sounds. B and v. Ban, ban, and van, van. Also boat, boat, and vote, vote. Bet, bet, and vet. So if you say, I bet you're not a vet, I bet you're not a vet, you should hear a clear difference between bet and vet. Okay, so let me know in the comments, are you a Spanish speaker? Do you make these mistakes? Have you found anything new that you didn't know before? I'd be interested to know, and also what country you're from. So let me know down in the comments. If you want to take this a step further, if you want to really master the British accent and improve your English pronunciation, you can click on the link in the description below this video. You can sign up and you can take my free mini video pronunciation course. And this mini course will help you to identify a lot of the mistakes that you will make in your British English pronunciation. And these videos are exclusive to my email subscribers. They're not public on YouTube. So sign up there and you can take my mini course. And I'll see you over there. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and watch out for more videos again soon. Bye for now.